আমি এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী 2025। আমার নাম মেঘা। আমি এখন এসএসসি পরীক্ষার ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপারের কুমিল্লা বোর্ড 2022-এর কোশ্চেনটা সলভ করার চেষ্টা করব। ফার্স্টে আছে fill in the blanks with preposition and articles. Traveling has a great influence on our minds. The human mind always craves for change. There is none who does not feel a thrill of joy at the new sight of experience. The traveler comes in contact with various types of people. If he moves with other observant eyes, he can acquire a lot of practical knowledge about men and things of the world which books alone cannot provide. Traveling gives us an opportunity to enjoy the more enchanting sights of nature. It helps one enrich the knowledge and makes him completely a perfect man. এখন নাম্বার 2। নাম্বার 2 আছে complete the following text with right forms of verbs gives in the box. You must have heard the name of Kazi Nazrul Islam. He is our national poet. He is known as a rebel poet as well. He was born in a poor family, but their needs could not hinder his potentiality. When the First World War broke out, he joined the army. After the war, inspired to he began to compose poems. At the time, his poems and songs inspired people against oppression. He is called the Shelley of Bangla literature. We should remember him for his great deeds. এখন 3 নম্বরে আছে চেঞ্জ দ্য সেন্টেন্স অ্যাকর্ডিং টু ডিরেকশন। এ নম্বরে আছে very few conquerors of the world were so great as Taimur. Superlative. Taimur was the one of the greatest conquerors of the world. B নম্বরে আছে the province of a powerful prince was once attacked by young Taimur. Active. Once young Taimur attacked the province of a powerful prince. C নম্বরে আছে he captured a large village. Passive. A large village was captured by him. D নম্বরে আছে the army killed Taimur all soldiers. Negative. The army did not leave Taimur all soldiers alive. E নম্বরে আছে he did not disguise himself as a rich traveler to survive. Affirmative. He disguised himself as a poor traveler to survive. 4 নম্বরে আছে complete the text adding suffix, prefix or the both with the root words given in the parentheses. Deforestation means cutting down of trees indiscriminately. Bangladesh is a densely populated country. This huge population needs more shelter, agricultural land, fuel and furniture etc. For all this reason, people cut trees. Moreover, there are dishonest people who cut trees for making money illegally. The removal of trees causes serious damage to the soil as gives trees protection to soil as well. The temperature will rise and it will causes greenhouse effect. One day the country will be unsuitable for living, so tree plantation program should be extended throughout the country. 5 নম্বরে আছে make tag question of these statements. Good health means the health free from all kinds of disease. Doesn't it? Vinamra say one can keep good health by following certain rules, can't they? He is to eat a balanced diet, isn't he? He has to take regular physical exercise, hasn't he? He must enjoy sound sleep, mustn't he? Thank you.